Each session for your class will have a unique Zoom link. There are a couple of different ways to find these Zoom links. The first one is by going to digitalworkshopcenter.com and logging into your student account up in the right-hand corner here. Once you're logged into your student account, this will display all of your current and upcoming classes. For the class that you would like to join the Zoom meeting for, you will click into More Info. This will bring up all of the information needed for the class, including the Zoom links. As you can see, this class has 2 sessions. So if it's September 9th and you would want to join that session, you'll click here in the blue area, and that'll have that unique Zoom link to be able to join the session. Please note that each of these Zoom links are unique for the session, so you'll want to make sure that you are using the specific Zoom link for the session. The second way to be able to find your Zoom links is through your class confirmation email. When you register for a class, you are automatically sent a class confirmation email with all of that similar information here. So as you can see, again, each of these sessions has a unique Zoom link, so this is where you can find these Zoom links as well.